Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Old Bill's Barbecue. Pretty chilly out here today. We're going to be doing some smoked cheese. Okay, we're going to be using the Dynaglow offset charcoal smoker. Okay, cold smoking some 12-month-old Piave and 2-year-old white cheddar. We're going to be using Applewood today, so in about 3 hours we'll come back, check on it, and I'll let you know how it looks. Okay, we'll see you there. Alright, we're back 3 hours in. Who wants to take a quick look at this cheese? I know I do. Let's open up this Dynaglow smoker. We're going to grab the cheese. Look at that. Wow. It looks amazing. We're getting really close to that color that we want to see. We have that nice golden color. Okay. Maybe about an hour more, and I think we'll be where we want to be. Stay tuned. We'll be back. All right, we're 4 hours into this cold smoke. Let's take a look and see how this cheese is looking. Looks amazing. Got that golden color to it. Couldn't have asked for a better cold smoke. I'll see you inside so we can vacuum seal these. So we're going to start off with our 12-month-old smoked Piave. Throw it into our vacuum sealer bag. Lay it in there. Bam! Finger guns. Close your vacuum sealer and let it do its job. It'll be quick, don't you worry. These things really are a phenomenal product. Couldn't have asked for a better purchase when I bought this thing. Just very happy with it overall. We open it up and ooh, look at that finished product. Next up, gotta get our next bag. We're gonna put our 2-year-old white cheddar that we cold smoked for 4 hours. Color on it is phenomenal. I can't wait to try it out. Again, I'm gonna put this bag inside of our vacuum sealer, close it up, and let it do its work. When it's finished, there's a little light that turns off. When it goes off, that's how you know it's finished. And what we're left with, when finished, is just a beautiful product. Look at these 2 chunks of cheese. Couldn't have asked for a better smoke. Alright, thanks for watching. So this is our final product. We have our 12-month-old Piave cheese and our 2-year-old white cheddar. We're going to check back in about 4 to 7 days. We'll test out these products and see how the smoke is after it's mellowed out a little bit in the vacuum seal bag. And we'll check back in then. Alright, this is 1 week after smoking these cheese. We're going to open these up, take a look how they look and taste. Okay, let's take a slice. Nice 2-year-old aged cheddar. Ooh, that's good. All right, we're gonna open up the 12-month aged Piave. It's nice and smoky. Okay. Take a nice chunk. That one. Ooh, that's good. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with everything we do around here. Stay tuned for next week.